Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, and today I'm in a tomato patch doing some trellising and some pruning and just admiring how beautiful our tomatoes are even this late in the season. Look at all these wonderful flowers it's putting on, and it's still green and lush. And I'm gonna get in here and pull out some big tomatoes, but just a quick tip. Sometimes you can be a little rough this time of year with your tomatoes, and you have each tomato weighing over a pound. This is a heavy cluster of tomatoes right here, and I'm not gonna yank that off because it's 3 of them really close together. So I'm gonna hold the tomato, support it, and I'm gonna cut that off. That's one. We'll put that down there. Very carefully, surgically, and I'm gonna cut out tomato 2. And that's tomato 3. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.